Hey everyone, welcome back to GameMaker Casts. It's Mickey, and I just want to give you a quick update on what's happening. I currently have a couple different things in the hopper. The first thing I have is going to be a tutorial that I'm working on, and it's going to build on, and in the end we'll create a game. So I'll switch to this little tutorial that I've been doing. And in the tutorial, you'll be able to download all the stuff here. If I hit F5, the tutorial, as you will see, is on MP grids, so that is motion planning. So I'm going to go through this particular tutorial in a different video, but it's basically just finding out how these grids work, how we can set them to objects, then how we can create a different guy, and then we can have some motion planning, and then once they actually get to their position, how we can expand on this to turn the motion planning into something like a step event, or not step event, but a turn-based game. So you can see that wherever my mouse goes, he will just take that first step. So that's what we're going to be doing in the tutorial, and the reason that we're doing this is because it's going to be going into a game that my fiance and I have been working on, and let's switch over to that. So this is the game here, and if I load it up, basically what I want to do is I want to take the entire thing and go from scratch. So it will be a mini series where this is what we will end up with. So these guys are all using motion planning except for the fish. Obviously I can't go within the deck here, or the dock, but as soon as I move, these guys will take their turns. And I don't know if I will be able to create this level. Basically, the end goal is to try and get the fish into the weeds here. And if the two sharks here collide, which they should, it's basically a free-for-all. So we can just go and finish that level. So this is what we will be building. My fiance and I are still working on a lot of the graphics here. We just needed some placeholders. So yeah, we're doing this, and we have the tutorial going. And the final thing that I wanted to talk about is I started to create a website here, and I'll just quickly bring that up. Hang on a second, let's just pause the video right here. If you're watching this and you've made it this far, and you're one of the first people, try this code on Steam for a free game. Alright, now let's get back to the video. So this is the website here. So I'm still going to be using Patreon, Twitter, and YouTube to put everything out here. But anytime I create a small little blog, just something that I feel like writing about, I'm going to post it here. And then I'll just link to it through the various social channels that we have, which would be Twitter or Patreon. And if I get to that point, I'd be able to post these on YouTube as well. So this will be the website, and it's basically just a funnel into YouTube, and I have the ability to write a few different blogs here. So if I don't think something should be a full tutorial, I'll just write it here, and then people can come and read about it. So yeah, this is literally basically it. So that's what I have in the hopper, and I just wanted to bring that forward so that everyone knows that, you know, I'm not being hiding in the shadows or whatever. But yeah, I'm still working here, and I hope everyone's safe, and I hope to start putting out some videos soon. Thanks a lot.